Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to start Ford Fusion with key-only way. First, make sure the car is in park and your foot is on the brake. Check that the metal key blade is fully inserted and not bent. Turn the key smoothly to the start position and release once the engine fires. If the car only clicks, try another key or tap the battery connections gently to ensure solid contact. If you hear a click when turning the key, start with the battery and connections. Check battery terminals for corrosion and tighten loose clamps before retrying. Use headlights as a quick voltage test. Dimming when cranking suggests low battery. If the battery is good, the starter or solenoid might be the culprit and will need professional testing. Keep jumper cables handy for a safe jump start if necessary. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful content. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy during roadside repairs and long drives. I love how they handle long mornings under the hood without rubbing or bunching. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Use a spare key if you suspect the original is worn, since small bends can stop the tumblers from aligning. If the key feels rough, use graphite lubricant in the lock rather than oil to avoid attracting dirt. Never crank the engine for more than a few seconds at a time. Let the starter cool between attempts to avoid damage. If problems persist, consult a locksmith or mechanic for ignition cylinder service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.